Hello guys, in today's video we present Blackview's latest rugged phone which combines durability and powerful performance in one device with a 6.5-inch 120Hz refresh rate main display and a 1.3-inch secondary display, the best 4G processor, up to 36GB of RAM, 256GB of internal memory, and the 8800 mAh battery with the 45W fast charging, a built-in 1070 lumen flashlight, and all body resistance. This is not just average phone, it's a champion of durability built for those who lead adventurous life or work in harsh environments. To learn more, be sure to check out this Blackview BV8200 video review. Our Blackview BV8200 comes in this black and yellow box that shows a graphic look of the smartphone, so let's start with unboxing. In addition to the smartphone, we can find the instructions for use, SIM card slot ejector tool, USB Type-C charging cable, and a 45W fast charger. That must contain all this package, and now we can move on to our smartphone. The Blackview BV8200 boasts a classic rugged design featuring a black-orange color scheme with a silver metal accent. The metal chassis is visible on the side frames and around the rear screen, while the rest of the frame is reinforced with a durable polycarbonate and a shock-absorbing TPU. The corners are equipped with the extra padding for added protection. The back of the phone is made of tough polycarbonate with the orange pattern. The display casing is thoughtfully designed, surrounded by an orange frame, which not only provides the screen protection but also gives the frames a slimmer appearance and feel. The BV8200 stands out not only for its toughness but also for its refined and modern aesthetics, making it as reliable and attractive option in a rugged smartphone market. Now moving on to physical features of the phone, the right side of the metal frame we have perforated metal buttons. This above is the volume control button, below is the power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the left side there is a slot for SIM card that has two free slots, two for nano SIM cards or one SIM, and a micro SD card of up to 2TB. A little lower you'll notice this orange programmable button here, which can be personalized to execute various functions with the phone or compatible applications such as the PTT walkie-talkie function, camping light, or wherever you want. This button can be activated with the one click, double click, or long press, so this one button performs three functions. At the bottom we have USB-C port for charging, speaker grills, and a microphone hole. On the top of the phone there is a dual LED flashlight with an output of 170 lumens, which is the ideal solution for anyone who likes outdoor adventures, night walks, or wants to be safe in case of power outage. This detail makes BV8200 not only a smartphone but also an indispensable tool for all those who value functionality and aesthetic in one. The front of the BV8200 is dominated by the large and the bright 6.5-inch display with reusability bezels for protection. A punch hole in the middle houses an excellent 32-megapixel selfie camera with face unlock option that will perfectly handle all your selfies and video calls, all in full HD resolution. The light and proximity sensor together with LED notification light are placed to the right of the camera in the top bezel. As I already said, the BV8200 is adored with the large and bright 6.5-inch 2.4K FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and refresh rate of 120 Hz, as we only see in high-end rugged phones. From the display settings, you can set the refresh rate at 60Hz, 90Hz or 120Hz. There is also option for auto refresh rate. The device changes it depends on the content display to optimize the battery life. The eye protection technology reduces eye strain during long hours of use. Whether indoors or outdoors, the display shines brightly, ensuring a premium visual experience in any environment, while the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protects the display. Display offers an impressive visual experience with vibrant, rich colors and 20:9 aspect ratio that ensures excellent usability. Its standout feature is 120Hz refresh rate, providing ultra-smooth scrolling and responsible touch interactions. You can really enjoy your favorite series with the stunning clarity and vivid colors. Whether it's Netflix or YouTube, every scene comes to life with the deep contrast and vibrant hues, pulling you into the story. The display truly competes with some of the best in class. Now the back of the phone is carefully designed to combine sophisticated look and practicality. There is also this elegant round metal ring frame in which we can see two camera lenses and LED flash, and in the middle of them is a round 1.3-inch 60Hz touch sensitive screen, a feature typically only found on the high-end devices. Not to worry, this tiny screen is also protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. You can activate it with a double tap or with the touch of the power button. On this additional screen you can display additional functions such as health info, step counter, music player. We also have this weather forecast, a compass, and we also have this option of using the main camera for selfies. Of course, you can also change the watch faces. There is really many of them and a large selection for everyone. You can even create your own watch face if you want. The phone is equipped with the advanced rear camera system. The main camera uses Samsung's ISOCELL GN5 sensor with a resolution of 50 megapixels. Thanks to the optical image stabilization and autofocus, the camera provides exceptional clarity and sharpness even in the low light conditions. In addition to the main camera, the phone comes with a 30 megapixel wide-angle camera which has a 120-degree viewing angle and allows you to easily capture wild landscapes, group photos or creative macro shots, providing versatility for different shoot scenarios. When it comes to video recording, the BV8200 allows recording in a maximum 2K resolution and 30 frames per second, or HD resolution and 60 frames per second. Optical stabilization further ensure that videos are clear and free of unwanted shake. And to truly appreciate the camera capabilities, I recommend checking out some sample photos we capture using this Blackview phone, so let's take a look. Blackview BV8200 is powered by the current best 4G octa-core processor, MediaTek Helio G100, manufactured in advanced 6nm process, which enables high performance with efficient energy consumption, including two ARM Cortex-A76 pair with the powerful MediaTek G57 class GPU, enhanced by a high-speed LPDDR4X memory and the rapid UFS storage. This combination accelerates data access, ensuring optimal performance in games, applications, and daily tasks. MediaTek Hyper Engine provides a suite for comprehensive smartphone enhancements for gaming, ensures that every heavy loading scenes and intense gameplay does not drop in frames, and that the server connection remains strong. The phone has a touch sampling rate of 180 Hz, which enables a quick and precise reaction to touch, making it suitable for playing games and other interactive activities. Combined with the basic 12GB of RAM, then can be upgraded with the virtual RAM up to 36GB of RAM, which then ensures smooth and fast switching between applications, allowing users a smooth experience during multitasking, whether it's a work, gaming, or multimedia. The internal memory of 256GB provides plenty of space for data storage and additionally expandable via microSD card of up to 2TB. It's equipped with a powerful battery with a capacity of 8800 mAh, which enables long-term use of the phone without the need for frequent charging. The battery supports fast charging with the power of 45 watts, which significantly reduces the time required for a fully charged device, and it allows you to 888 hours of standby mode. Equipped with the latest Android 14, provides you with a clean and bloatware-free experience and comes equipped with all Google applications and its integrated features. Furthermore, it boasts several pre-installed tools, apps, including a System Manager Optimizer and a versatile toolbox, which can provide indispensable in various field scenarios. Of course, it supports global 4G connectivity, which means you can enjoy blazing fast internet speed, smoother streaming, and faster data downloads. The phone comes with docOS 5.0, which is based on Android 14 and comes with the latest optimization that improve efficiency and security, while additional functions such as the focus mode, fast application launch, and smart resource management make this phone ideal for demanding users. The phone is equipped with the modern connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.1 for a stable and energy-efficient connection, dual-band Wi-Fi for fast and reliable internet, NFC for contactless payment, and a precise GPS system with support for GLONASS, Galileo, and BeiDou, making it an excellent choice for everyday needs and navigation. Now, the BV8200 is certified according to the military standard MIL STD 810H, and the IP68 IP69K offers outstanding waterproof, dust-resistant, and shock-resistant capabilities, making it an ideal choice for those who rely on the gear to endure the toughest situations. It can survive drops for height of up to 1.5 meters into hard surface, which further protects the screen and the internal components from mechanical damage. Blackview BV8200 is an incredible device for those looking for a powerful smartphone with a large battery and resistant design and modern features. Its durability, performance, and additional features making ideal choice for adventurous and technology enthusiasts. But that's not all. The BV8200 comes with a 3-year Android upgrade guarantee, ensuring your device stays up to the date with the latest features and security patches. Blackview 24/7 online customer support is available to you anytime, anywhere. For those who prefer personal assistance, Blackview offers direct support. So if you are interested in purchase this amazing phone, and I'm sure you are, official sales links can be found below this video. Don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of a current promotional pricing, but act quickly as the quantities are limited. Grab your Blackview BV8200 today. That's all for now. We'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.